Good morning, student. Today we'll start with the chapter 3 matrix, and this chapter is your mark scoring chapter. So we'll firstly go with the definition. It's given by an order rectangular array of number or function is called a matrix. The numbers or function are called the elements of the matrix. Remember, that an order rectangular array of number or function are called the matrix, and that numbers or functions are called the elements of your matrix. For example, if a Gopal has 5 pens, 10 pencils and 8 books. Similarly, Ram has 6 pens, 10 pencils and 9 books. So these are given in order pair, orderly, sorry, they are given in order way, order. That numbers can be written down in the form of Gopal has a 5 pen, 10 pencils and 8 books. Similarly, Ram has a 6 pens, 7 pencils and 9 books. Okay, this order rectangular array of numbers or a function is known as your matrix. In matrix, first row, you see one horizontal line 5, 10, 8, they will consider as the row, and it's your first row, it's considered as your first row. Okay, second one 6, 7, 9, the numbers which are laid on your horizontal second line is your second row. Okay, and then the values are, this is in the form of your vertical line. So 5, 6, it's given by your first column. Similarly, 10, 7 is given by second column, and 8, 9 is given by your third column. Okay, this is your matrix are given this form. This is, once again I am telling, this is your first row, horizontal line represent your row, and this is your second row, and this is your vertical line represent your column. So this is your second column and this is your third column. Okay, and 7, 10, 8, 9, these are your numbers of the function of your matrix. Okay, so we'll go for the second term is your order of matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n, read as m by n. Always remember that the matrix are having first rows and then the columns. So remember the one, first rows will be counted and then the columns will be counted. So here we have here example, it's given by A is equal to 5, 7, 2, 3. So this is your first row. This is your first row, 5, 7, first row. Then this is given by your 2, 3 is your second row. So first row is given by your m. So m means first 1, 2. So therefore, this is your m. This is your m by, and this is your first column. Second column, it's given by your, sorry, this is given by your n. Okay, so this is given by, order of a matrix is always given by row by column. Similarly, it's given here B is equal to 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. So it's you have a 2 rows here, first row, second row, and first column, second column, and third column. Therefore, m by 3, sorry, m by n is given by first row, m is given by 2, and the column is given by 3. Okay, so always text in the form of your order m by n. M represent your row and n represent your column. Then we'll go for the types of matrix. They are very easy, just I'll go through. First one is your column matrix. So column matrix, a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. So obviously it has only one column. So it's a given first row. This will be counted as a first row, second row, and third row. Therefore, m is given by your 3 by, yes, you see one vertical line is there. Therefore, it's your 1. Okay, 3 by 1. So matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Then we'll go for the next one. So it's a row column, just the opposite of your column matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Just you see that B is given by 1, 5, 9. So it's your one row, 1 by one column, second column, and third column, vertical line. Therefore, it's your 3. Okay. So third one is your square matrix. A matrix in which the numbers of rows are equal to the number of columns is said to be a square matrix. Just simple one, square matrix. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. M by n is equal to equal. So here you have first row, second row, third row. Therefore, it's your tree. First column, second column, third column. It's your tree. Okay. This is known as a square matrix. For example, this is the order of 3. If you have the second order, means you have 1, 2, 2, 4. This is also can be given first row, second row. So 2 by is a first column, second column it's your 2. So this is the order of 2. In example, I have given in the order of your 3. It means here number of rows is equal to the number of columns. We'll go for the fourth one. So given by your diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. So you have a diagonals here. This value is given. This value is given by. Sorry, this value. This is your diagonal elements. Diagonal elements, and the rest of are all 0. Therefore, it's your diagonal elements. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. So similar, B is here. This is the order of 3 and this is the order of 2. So you see that diagonal elements are, and the rest of the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then scalar matrix. So scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. Just you see diagonal elements here. We have diagonal elements here 5, 5. The elements are same. Such a matrix is known as a scalar matrix. Then we'll have the identity matrix. A square matrix in which elements in the diagonal elements are all 1 and rest are all 0. So this is your order of 3 identity matrix. Okay. So just you see first row, second row, third row. So it's your 3 row by first column, second column, third column. So it's your order of 3. So when you have order of 2, it will have 1, 0, 0, 1 in this form, 2 by 2. So identity elements means non-diagonals will be equal to your, diagonals will be equal to your 1. Then we'll go for the next is your 0 matrix. So it's your 0 matrix. A square matrix is said to be 0 matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. See, obviously it's a 0 matrix if its all elements are 0. Then it's an important one. This is your equality of matrix. Equality of matrix, you need to know. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal. Written A is equal to B if only if they are of the same order. If only if they are of same order and their corresponding elements are equal. Remember that if only if they are of same order and their corresponding elements are equal. If they are of same order means order of 3, order of 2. Example here, the matrix x, y, z, t and -1, 0, 2, 3 are equal. Remember that if they are equal means their corresponding elements will be same and they are of the same order. It's a given by 2 by 2. This is also 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. If only if this first elements belongs to your first elements, x is equal to -1, y is equal to 0, t is equal to 2 and z is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. They are said to be equal. Okay. If they are of the same order and their corresponding elements are equal. Example here, again second example is 2, 3, 0, 1 and 2, 3, 0, 1 are equal. Just you see that corresponding elements are also equal, but 2, 3, 0, 1 and 3, 2, 0, 1 are not equal. Just you see the numbers may be 2, 3, 1 are same on the side, but the placement of the numbers are not same. Therefore, they are not equal corresponding elements. Okay. So for equality of matrix, you go through your example here, example 4 and 5. You will find the answer here. Just you try at home. And students, please keep your notebook ready anytime. I may ask to submit in the school, okay, your home assignment as well as your regular classes book copy. Thank you.